Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. So in continuation of the Java design pattern series, today I am going to bring you a new video on creation design pattern, specific abstract design, like abstract factory design pattern. So we'll see like the overview and like what from the definition and what are the various aspects taken into consideration for abstract factory design pattern. So let's go for it. So as the name suggests, an abstract factory design pattern that is related to creation design pattern that is specifically to abstraction that includes abstraction. So first we'll go for the definition. So as the definition says that definition it basically provides an interface to create group oblique families of related object without specifying their concrete classes. So concrete classes, that is the definition. It provides basically an interface to create group oblique families of related objects without specifying the concrete classes. So you did not know the whatever the like concrete classes, and through abstraction and creating the factory pattern, you can able to create um, families of related objects, means similar kind of objects. You can, let's consider an example of car factory design pattern. So you need not know like this specific car or that model unit or internal details, and using the car factory object you can create a series of cars and families of car objects. So like this car you can consider like some vehicle or any other objects like let's say fans, tubes, or like any specific uh, entities, let's say bikes you can consider. So that can be an example of abstract factory design pattern. The point to be noted is that it provides through abstraction that you can hide the details, and you need not go into the specific details of how the you can create the concrete classes. So that is the important point. So that is the like definition. It provides an interface to create group families of related objects without specifying the concrete class. Next important point was that there are like some important factors that you need to be taken into consideration while like creating that abstract factory design pattern example. So first is that uh, so first like you'll go through the definition. So this is over here. So factors consider for abstract factory. First are the abstract classes, obviously. Abstract class, or not necessarily abstract interfaces classes interfaces. Second is that implementations for the above abstractions. Classes for above interfaces. So what's the abstract interfaces? Implementation classes for above interfaces. The third point comes factory implementation. Example, car factory, bike factory. So that is important point over here. Note over here. Factory implementation for that, because through factory implementation it provides the power of like hiding the details, and you create the group or families of related objects. And next is the client code. So first point comes the abstract interfaces, followed by the implementation for classes for above interfaces. Then comes the factory implementation, or like factories you need to create. There are that can encapsulate the behavior, provide the behavior of creating the group of related families of related objects. And after that, important point is client code. So while like designing the like abstract factory design pattern, you need to take these points into consideration. That is the interfaces, the implementation that you should provide for these interfaces, factory which we need to like, for which you need to provide the like cover for for the hiding the or creating the families of related objects. And most important is the client code that will hold the logic, the main class of the in Java will hold the logic for all this implementation to client code, you can call it. So this video was all about abstract factory design pattern. We saw into the definition that how is code, and what is basically meant for, and various steps through which or factors we need taken into consideration for designing abstract factory design pattern example in Java. So stay tuned, more to come on you on Java design patterns and other related video. Bye for now.